Hello, it's me Ashish Rasaili, and today I'm going to give the presentation of ICT 508 Management Information System Individual Assessment. First of all, introduction. In order to solve the difficult issues of combining Woodside and BHP's oil and gas businesses, I applied a strategic integration approach that makes use of important ISIT techniques and concepts. The Jackman Framework, Data Integration Maturity Model, DIMM, and Enterprise Data Catalog EDC work together to provide a comprehensive solution. This synergistic strategy attempts to reduce waste, increase efficiency, and accelerate operations in a merger, assuring seamless integration of infrastructure systems and procedures. Tools and models for analyzing integration. First of all, Jackman framework. By incorporating Jackman's parallelism into Woodside and BSP's current tools, an organized approach of information design is provided. This approach, which includes what, how, where, who, when, why, and perspective, enables business to plan and construct, examine corporate processes and information requirements, determine convergence points and consolidation opportunities, and analyze flows of data, investigate data flows and dependencies, determine overlaps and probable places of contact, and align business objectives. Ascertain that the seamless integration aligns with the strategic business goals, close the gap between business goals and ISIT capabilities. Second one is data integration maturity model, DIMM. This approach evaluates a company's data integration skill in five stages: basic, managed, integrated, optimized, and transformative. Woodside and BSP can identify weaknesses and prioritize integration efforts by examining their current position on the DIMM scale. Concentrate on critical areas such as data quality and governance, monitor and evaluate process progress, demonstrate significant advancement in data integration maturity compared to industry best practices, studies successful merger and merging efforts, and applying the model and tools to resolve the issue. The Jackman framework is a model-based framework for planning, designing, and executing enterprise architecture. The first model provided by the technologies serves as a foundation for developing the enterprise architecture using toolbox pages that support every cell of Jackman classification scheme. Uh, you may produce a necessary diagram for the expanded enterprise architecture UML diagram library. Phase 1, Data Discovery and Mapping. Data discovery. Every business collects and processes a large amount of personal and sensitive data. If you are in charge of GDPR, you may find it difficult to keep track of where your company data is stored. However, having the insight is the first step towards data security. It all begins with discovery, which is the process of mapping out all of your data, and data mapping, the process of connecting a data field from one source to a data field from another source is known as data mapping. This reduces the possibility of error, standardizes your data, and make it easier to analyze your data. Data mapping allows you to explore and connect data elements in the same way that maps may help us visualize the optimal route from point A to point B, and just as taking the incorrect turn when diving might cause problems. Data mapping errors can have a serious impact on your mission critical data management activities. And phase 2, integration planning and execution. Oracle Integrated Business Planning and Execution provides end-to-end planning solution for manufacturing companies, assisting them in meeting long, medium, and short-term performance target. Oracle's technology translates goal into execution by utilizing the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and prescriptive analytics. It evaluates the perspective for maintaining or improving the company's business goal by doing a what-if analysis of future scenarios. Evaluation of success. Generally speaking, operational efficiency looks at how successful a company puts in resources to use to offer its service and goods. The fewer resources such as labor, our money and inventory are wasted while producing goods and services. The more efficient corporate operations are. To explain waste in this context is any activity that adds cost doesn't provide value. There may be two categories of wasteful activities: those who add no immediate value but are still critical to the organization, no value added activities that are ineffective for the company. Conclusion. Woodside and BSP can easily negotiate the challenges of integrating their petroleum business by combining the analytical strengths of the Jackman's framework and DIMM with the practical functionality of an EDC. This strategy will create a strong and cohesive ISIT ecosystem in the merged company, boosting efficiency, data quality, and commercial success.